Assalamu alaikum. We are going to draw this figure in AutoCAD that has one circle and it has a polygon with 10 sides, a decagon, and then it has a hexagon within a circle. And the diameter for the circle, the bigger one and the small one, is given, and then there is a triangle as well. So the instructions say that using the polygon and circle commands, the drawing must be created according to the given dimensions. Use the point command to draw the center lines going through the circle. Let's go to AutoCAD. Your title block template that has the layers and the title block. Go to model space. And since the diameter is given for the circle, select the circle with diameter, center diameter. Make object your current layer and draw a circle at 10, 10. Diameter 2.12. And then there is a polygon. Number of sides 10. If you hover over the circle, you will see the center, and you are going to choose inscribed in circle and then drag it and then click on the right quadrant of the circle. Now it did mention to draw the point, so type point EO. And to have a mark on that, you have to select P type. So there is a command P type, and you're going to select any of those types. So I have selected this one, otherwise it's not going to show the point at all. So it shows the point over here. Now let's draw another point that's going to be the center of the smaller circle. And now draw the smaller circle with diameter of 0.53. Polygon, and polygon is a hexagon, so 6 sides. This is the center. Inscribed in a circle and drag it to the right quadrant of the circle, because the top of the polygon is flat in the given figure, and same over here for the decagon. The top side is flat. Now there are two triangles that are making a star, overlapping star. Again, select the polygon, and this time the number of sides is 3. And you're going to select edge, so either you select edge over here or type E, and then specify first end point of the edge. You can select anywhere, and now you are going to give the dimension for the side, and that is 0.96. And now you can move this from the geometric center to the center of the circle. Now you can copy this, enter, click on the center, and then click on the center again and escape. And now use the rotate command, enter, click on the center, and then I have the polar tracking on. So I have that on 300 degrees, rotate it. So polar tracking is right here, and I've selected 15, 30, 45, 60 angles. Now you are going to use polar array. Select the hexagon, right click, click in the center, and then change the number of items to 4, enter, and that completes the drawing. Now go to the title block, double click inside the viewport, and then zoom extend, and over here you're going to select an appropriate scale. So 2:1 scale looks good. Then you can lock the viewport, and over here double click outside the viewport so that you are in paper space, and then go to dimension layer. Now you're going to add the dimensions as it was shown in the figure. Now as you can notice, we had 2 decimals in the dimensions, and over here we have only one whole number. So we're going to fix our dim style, modify. Over here, primary units, you're going to change the precision to 2 decimals, and then text is, the height is 0.125, same with the symbols and arrows, 0.125. okay, close. So that's your updated dimension. Then diameter of the circle for the smaller circle. And that's all the dimensions that you need. Update the title block. Scale was 2:1. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.